because of my heart surgery, I stopped everything for 3 4 years, and now again I have started.
So, ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm pretty good. I'm great, and thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm also doing great, and this is my first video, and that's why I'm very excited. Not first actually, because earlier that I have a session with Rajni Verma ma'am and
Very good.
YouTuber Rajesh and
Mm-hmm.
me. It is my fourth. Still,
Oh,
I am facing sometimes nervous. Feel sometimes nervous because I want
okay.
to overcome this fear facing a video calling and have a conversation on video session.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Yes. Don't be despondent. It happens. And actually, mine is also, I think, sixth or seventh attempt
Sixth and
at
seventh
this time.
or seventh.
Sixth or seventh, I think, attempt. Yesterday, I had also a session, and uh, it's nice.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, can you share your how you are started your learning English journey?
First, I would like to know you.
In
I would like your introduction.
Okay, okay. Yes, it is very important that we can introduce yourself. It will be better to know about. So,
Yes.
as my name is Susma Verma and I am from West Bengal. I have been working in military engineering services as a government employee for 11 years. And
Wow.
apart from this, I have been working in my speaking English language, and I just want to master on it. And I'm also mastering on data analytics course that
Wow.
yes, as well. So just it's all about me. And if you want to know my hobbies, then I like to read books and listening musics and dance.
Very good.
So
Very nice.
it's all about me, ma'am. And what's about you? Can you introduce yourself then?
Yes, yes, yes. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Varsha Ranjit Jagtap. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I
Okay.
am from Marathi speaking middle class family. I reside in Pune. Actually, nearby Pune, there is a small city, Saswad. We have farm there and we live there. And in Pune, my son lives in Pune. I have a son, a daughter-in-law, and grandson. And ours is very small family.
So it's nice.
And
Yeah.
about yes, about my education, uh, I have done my graduation in 1988 in science. After that, I got married, and after 7 years of marriage, I have completed my graduation again in diploma in computer management, and
In which field, ma'am?
I had been
In which?
diploma in computer management.
Okay, diploma in computer management. Okay.
DCM, right? And after that, I had been learning small crash courses like C, C++, Oracle, web development, Visual Basic, like this. And again, I did my leadership and management course from ISB Hyderabad. It was a scholarship based, a scholarship from Goldman Sachs, the organization from US
Okay.
that I did. Then I learned A1 level of French from Alliance Francaise. And then I have got opportunity to work as a EDP in charge in computer department in a sugar factory at Karnataka
Okay.
border. Yes, I worked there for 5 years. Then I again worked as a territory manager in a Max New York Life Insurance company for 3 years. And then I dived into my own institution, that Varsha Educom. With 12 computers, I had started my institution. Over there, I taught a lot of programming courses, computer related courses, spoken English and French. Then simultaneously, I took um, aerobics classes for sake of fitness of women. All courses I took for women, and after that, uh, because of my heart surgery, I stopped everything for 3 4 years, and now again I have started online coaching classes, online classes of spoken English, and I have now 52 students are there in my online class spoken English.
Okay.
Yeah, I focus only on online spoken English classes
Okay, ma'am.
and
So,
channel. My channel also speak up classroom related to
yes, ma'am,
vocabulary
it
and
will
all
be
things.
better if you tell you about your channel, then everyone will know, and it will be helpful for
Yes.
as we
Actually, I have started for my students because students uh, don't have any time to read book and pick the words and find out the synonyms and make sentence. They don't have that much time. So I thought I should start a channel of vocabulary and some phrasal verbs, idioms, etc., with examples and meaning of there and how to use the phrasal verbs, idioms, and that vocabulary while speaking. So I make that channel, and it works because students listen while they traveling for a job and working while working.
yes.
Some students, yes, tell me in my feedback that
Nowadays,
I am.
many women facing like that problem because nowadays most of the women is working and they
Hmm,
have to do all the household chores and as well they are working.
yes,
Yes. So
yes,
she has to manage all the things.
all
So
the things. And
as
I like to
my
help such
as I'm
women.
asking you some question, I am not able to ask because I'm a learner and 2 or 3 months ago I have started my YouTube channel and just I'm
Mhm.
improving for my improvement. I have started my YouTube channel, World of Susma, and from there I just improving. I record my videos, I practice and I record and I upload and after sometimes I watch that where it is there is any improvement are there or not in myself. So for that purpose I am uploading their videos. And as you have lots of experience about spoken English and many or more things you have done, so I'm just super excited to chat with you and to ask
Mhm.
many more questions and about your journey. How did you all the things? And ma'am, one more things I want to ask you that for how long have you been started your spoken English online courses?
Spoken English online courses. Recently, I have started 6 months ago.
Okay, 6 months ago.
Yeah,
And
yeah, I have completed 4 batches. I have taken sessions from Rajani Verma.
okay,
I took 12 sessions and um, uh, I started after that.
I'm fan of Rajini Verma actually, ma'am.
Yes, me too.
Yes.
Likewise, I'm also fan of her, and I took session and I have been watching her videos, her channel, Try to Thrive, since 6 months.
Okay.
Then I got inspired. I inspired from her, and I thought when I was taking offline courses 10 years ago, then why should not I take online courses
Versus,
now? And
yeah.
then I started, uh,
And it
and
is the beneficial for us that who don't have time to go attend the offline courses. They have the opportunities that they will be. able to join by online through online, and they can learn from after joining online courses. This is our
Yes,
social media opportunity nowadays that we are available
exactly.
like that. So, ma'am,
It's a wonderful source social media
yes,
given us.
yes, and
Yes, and simultaneously, I watches the free sessions of um, Gayatri Verma's also.
Gayatri Sharma,
Every Saturday, Gayatri Sharma,
yes,
Gayatri Sharma.
I didn't have
Both
any.
are good inspirations.
Yes, but I didn't listen one video or two more videos. I have listened a conversational video of Gayatri Sharma ma'am, and but I'm most inspired by Rajni Verma ma'am because the way of speaking and as she inspired, she motivate to others. It's literally very mind blowing, I think. Where she encourages others who don't have any guts to do, but after listening her speeches or her conversation, anyone can improve very well as she spoke very politely. She speak very politely and professional manner. That will be better for
Exactly.
people. Yes. And after
And her
watching, after
teaching method is also very nice.
yes, and after listening her videos, I have improved a lot. And right now, because of her, I think I am able because she she was the one person who made me overcome my uh,
Fear.
fear or to face the video conversation. She was the one first, and
Yes.
so it was the and. I have also be very beginner. I don't have much more idea, much more learning ideas about is this language, but I just started. I am improving day by day. So I am just thinking that if I only think that yes, after reading, after completing all the things, then I will start conversational video, then I will fish anything, then it will be very late. So if I just start, whatever it is, whether it is wrong or grammatically wrong or right, I don't think about it. Just I start, then it will be helpful. As before this starting this videos conversation, I was just using S Fluency app, and right now I'm also using S Fluency app, and through which I am improving. But and after regular consistency, I have experienced that fluency and talk to anyone on regular basis, it is very helpful to improve. And I am improving by having conversation, whether it is audio or video, it doesn't matter. But if you engage, if you have conversation with anyone, then it will surely helpful apart from as you are reading books, watching conversational video. But if you don't start to on a practical way to have conversation with anyone, then it will not going to work, I think. It is my
If
perspective.
you,
My perspective, it was not working till then. I have not started my Fluency app to
exactly.
use to talk with anyone. I was not getting
Which
that problem.
application? S Fluency.
Yeah, yes, as influency, as fluency. And most of the
Okay.
people, I think, they are using nowadays because it is the best app to have conversation with anyone or on audio. There is no
Mhm.
video available, but
I used peer application um, to get practice with speaking with
how
a
was your
stranger.
experience on that
Yes.
app? Peer app? I have
It was very nice. It was good, but only for 1 month I used that application.
by
Then
paying.
I hmm?
It was
P
a
double
free.
E R.
Okay, it was a
It was
free.
free. Yeah, yes. It was free.
Hmm?
But I used only for 1 month. Because after that, I don't get a proper time to practice
So,
because of my
ma'am,
backs.
as your English is very good, you are speaking, I think, advanced level, and
I'm
you
also
are using
beginner.
in your sentences, you are using vocab and your sentences are in the proper way as you are talking. I am not able right now, but I am just asking you. It is your long journey. Have you started your working in this language, and what will help you? What did you help actually? What did help you to improve and to achieve that level as you are right now? Can you
Actually,
share?
I'm very passionate. Yes, I'm very passionate to speak in English because my father was good at English.
Okay.
But my schooling was in Marathi and not in English. But
Okay.
I'm very passionate. So I was reading books and pick vocabulary words from the book. And in my era, there was no mobile, no application, nothing. The only way is dictionary. The
Yes.
only source is dictionary that we rely on. So I find out the words and synonyms from dictionaries.
It
My
was very
father taught me
difficult
how
that
to
time,
use a dictionary that
actually.
time. Yes, now I am 58, and then I deliberately use those vocabulary in speaking.
Okay.
Yes, and I see you have to create opportunity, right? You don't have to wait for opportunity.
Yes.
Someone come and then I speak with
That's
her
why
or he.
I'm also saying that
No, we have
you
to
don't have to
start
wait.
because
You
yes,
should,
don't
you should,
wait because a
yes.
journey of thousands miles start with a single step,
Yes.
right? So we have to take that step first, right, to reach toward the success.
Yes.
So I was trying to speak in English whenever I got an opportunity, and again I create opportunity to speak with my friends. And after that, when my grandson
Mhm.
he goes to English medium school,
Okay.
and there are a lot of events with grandparents, so it is now mandatory to speak in English and with
Yes,
girls
I
too.
have also observed that in PTM, whenever I went there, there is a grandmother in that school, particulars of my son. She was very fluent in English, and as the way of speaking, I was just fan of her, and after listening her English fluency, I just started. I have to learn. I was thinking from that now I have to start and I have to learn on the. If she can speak, then why I can't? Why I can't?
Exactly.
So
Yes.
from there, I get inspired and I start, and many more things are there to inspire me and to start my journey. That's how.
Mhm.
So, ma'am, as I'm a beginner, I have started already. But to get that level as you are using the gap advanced level and the sentences, well structured sentences. So, for to get that to achieve that level, have you done anything? And as you have said that you have get session from Rajni Verma ma'am. So it was how was your experience after getting the session from there? Can you share your?
Yeah, it was, yes, it was nice experience. I improved lot of, and it worked for me. Those sessions are work for me. But uh, before that, I used to write. I have a blog, and I have written a lot of stories there in English too. And my life experience I have written in that blog. And I used to write. I like to write. I'm very passionate. You can say it's my hobby to write and read. So whatever I think, whatever I want to express someone, and no one is there, I write,
Okay,
and I try to write in English.
it's a
That's
good
why
habit, I can say.
I can.
Good trait.
Yes, it's a habit, and it improves myself to frame the sentences, to construct the sentences.
Yes, after
And whenever
writing, you
I
can
read,
see.
yes, and whenever I read loudly. I read like uh, I recite chanting someone. Likewise, I read.
Okay,
Loved
ma'am.
it.
As
And I do tongue exercise also. There are a lot of
tongue
tongue twisters
twister.
in my channel. In my channel also.
What is your channel name, ma'am? Can you?
I will send you link. It's a speak up, uh, spoken English classroom. Speak up classroom.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
Yes.
you for sharing
Recently
your link.
there is a subject. Tongue exercise is also very important. Intonation is also important. Little things which we ignore that are very important to speak or to improve ourselves. Right. Recently we listened the word supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
I don't.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious
Okay, it's a
is a one
word.
word.
You have to
It's a one word
pronunciate
of
it.
33 characters.
Oh
Yes,
my
it
God.
means super
Can you
wonderful.
repeat it again, ma'am? That I can
Yes,
repeat it.
supercalifragilisticexpialidocious
Oh my God.
is the
Super
word
can
of
it?
33 characters. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
I'm not getting it.
I watched in one video of Shashi Tharoor.
Okay. If I'm not wrong, it is the largest words in the dictionary, I think. Okay.
No, it the word is actually not from dictionary, right? It
Okay.
is the word some I think some singer from US
Mhm.
she used in her song.
Okay.
The word is not from dictionary, but
Because
now the meaning of that word is
Because while scrolling
wonderful.
on YouTube, I have heard these words, and someone is saying that this is the it is the longest words in the dictionary or any many more things I have listened, but I am unable to pronunciate it. I will try and I will search it and I will try. So it's
Okay,
yeah, it as
you try because our tongue should
yes,
the
tongue
word should
twisters.
stuck our tongue. Yes,
If we will not get habituate of the words and the sentences, we have to practice it to, and we
hmm.
have to practice tongue twisters also that we can
Yes, yes.
habituate to it.
Our tongue
And
should
it will come
familiar with
natural.
that
It will come
language.
naturally.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So it is helpful, I think. So, ma'am, as you
And you are very energetic. You are very enthusiastic person.
thank you, ma'am. But how did you
You
know?
are at the age of my daughter, actually. Right?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. And after seeing you, I'm also thinking that what have you inspired that you are very passionate about this language, to learn this language, to master this language? Have anything, something particular,
Uh,
special things that
Yes, first one is I am very passionate. My father's and grandfather's English was too good. Then again, when I was in New York with my son, uh, 2 years, that time I realized that English is very important because uh, in New York, Manhattan, there was no one to speak me with
yes.
my language, not Marathi, no
As you
Hindi.
are living in the Mumbai, Maharashtra, so it is natural
Mhm.
you can get. But as we are living in Kolkata and from a small village, Kankinar, so there is no any chance to get environment that to practice to anyone. So it is our like what I can say. It's a boon for us that we are getting online sources to
Exactly.
learn ourselves, to improve
Yes.
ourselves.
It's
So.
boon and benefits.
It's a very
Boons and
nice experience,
benefits.
I think, ma'am, because yeah, 1 year ago I was pregnant, and in my pregnancy time, I was thinking that what can I do by sitting at home that will be helpful for improving my skills and for my professional careers. Then, anyhow, I get a by scrolling YouTube videos, I got one channel from there, and most of the things I was just facing very difficult situation like before. So that time I don't know how. Anyhow, I got a channel, and from there I have started that. And after there, I just gradually I have improved, and now I'm right now. But before starting my journey, if I want to talk to anyone, I was unable to use a single words to anyone, and I was very scary to speak about and to speak to anyone. Uh, I have to remind, I have to recall, and by again and again repeating one words, I will go. And if I talk to you, then to talk to anyone, then I have to say these words. That type of person I was there earlier. But right now I'm speaking. It doesn't matter whether it is grammatically wrong. Sometimes it happen while speaking, as I'm a beginner. But I just try stage. I am here. I'm feeling myself. Yes, now I have improved. Like earlier, I was there that type of person, but now I am able to speak. I am not scaring to face anyone, to face video calls. As today, after attending your video session and after having conversation with you, I have just one what I can say that it made me feel very happy that one of my fear
Over
was
the
there.
moon.
One of my fear was there to face the video. How can so it
But
was.
you are very confident. Your confidence level is too good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
See
And
how you
it is
talk
a very good
confidently and
experience.
energetically.
And so, ma'am,
I'm
anything.
very happy to talk with you as well. Your confidence level really, really, I appreciate, and it's remarkable.
Okay, thank you so much. After listening from you, I am encouraging myself that yes. Uh,
Yes,
yes,
don't give up. Don't give up and try, keep speaking.
yes, ma'am.
We all are
Thank-
beginners. No
Yeah,
one is perfect. No one is very good, and so all are beginners.
here,
Knowledge is
here is showing, ma'am. We
key.
are your okay,
Go on.
ma'am. I will upload your videos on YouTube channel. So, if you don't mind, can I upload on my YouTube channel?
Yes, you can, and you send me this recording also
Okay, okay.
to me on WhatsApp or on Telegram.
Telegram, ma'am. Telegram, because
Telegram.
large size of files or videos uh, don't go. We can't send on WhatsApp. It will be helpful if I send you on Telegram.
Telegram.
Yeah.
Yeah, you send me in Telegram.
Okay.
I am on Telegram also. Okay. And it's very nice to talk with you, and we will talk again with another
Okay,
subject again.
okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay,
We will
ma'am.
decide
Thank
one
you.
subject,
Thank
and
you,
then
ma'am.
we'll practice.
Okay.
Okay.
Practice. Thank you
All
so
the
much.
best. All the
Okay.
best to your future.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks.